23, 782 North Charles Berry out of Tennessee, return runner, 99 Chevy.
Show me 1037 on the Nissan. Negative 21 exit.
Negative 1 exit.
TVI.
You're right, TVI.
10-4.
One's been TVI, sounds like one's been TVI. I'm trying to hit up the
Challenger is also following you guys.
Challenger is outstanding. Challenger is not in the house.
Driver! Show me your hands!
Started the 10-4. What's up, Bartlett? Back. Highway 42, north of the gas station. Started the 1016 rollover. Still got one vehicle outstanding. You know.
Show us your hands! Step out of the vehicle!
One possible 1053. It's gonna be a Challenger.
Driver! Show us your hands! Get out of the
Show ambulance on scene.
10-4, you're right, 1016, 1097.
10-4.
Driver!
Y'all stay behind y'all's vehicle.
Put your hands up!
D23, D29, or D1015?
Negative, we're not getting contact from inside the vehicle.
Driver!
I got brake lights, he's still in the vehicle, operating it.
Lift up the airbag! Put both hands up!
We got voice coming from the vehicle, he's beginning to exit, I believe.
Crawl out to me! Push open the door! Crawl out to me! Driver, put your hands in the window. How many people are in the vehicle? Is it just you? Hey, Collier, look
Yeah.
at me. I got the cover. Look at me, Collier. Put both hands in the window. Both of them. Do not drop that hand again. Hey, he's saying he can't get that door open for you.
Alright.
You want to try to move up, hold cover, and I'll get that door?
Alright.
You okay with that? Hey, you've got, all right, hold there, Collier. He's got a pistol. I'm moving wide. You come here, you get the door. You're my breacher. Keep your hands where I can see them. Do not move. Hey, lift that airbag up.
Other seats are clear. It's just him.
Clear? Okay. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. No. Come on out. Come out.
On the ground. On the ground.
Turn around.
On the ground. All the way. All the way.
Give you one in the door?
Yeah.
Go ahead and double check behind the book.
26-4 City, we got a DPS on signal, thank you.
10-15
Was
times.
inside that vehicle the whole time? Are we worried about anybody getting thrown out of it? We have an ambulance on the way, okay?
He's already here.
Is it on your side?
Yeah, he's right here. Challenger returns the tag on 99 Charger. It's likely 53 as well. Go ahead.
Stay the fuck out of Bartlett. Stealing fucking shit all the time. Get a job. They running?
Don't know, but he's the only one that can hit, so he's going.
Did they get the Challenger? I think so.
They got it. They got a big.
Stay the fuck out of Bartlett. You come in the door, we're gonna fucking, we'll follow you all the way the fuck out here. Are you trying to sell this thing? No, man. Shut up.
Yeah, get him out. Check it out.
That's somebody's fucking hard-earned car. You get your fucking dumb ass out of here now, it's just fucking destroyed. Y'all good? Hey, thank you guys, I appreciate it.
Yeah, rollover accident. Or dispatch is supposed to call it. Sounds like y'all, I don't know if they did.
Right, yeah.
Okay.
What you got there, dog? The guy in the Challenger? We saw y'all waving around earlier, so I don't know what you're talking about.
D29 kilo 26, where's that?
You hurt?
My back hurt.
You're what?
Back.
Your back? You want me to check him out, son?
My back. Lower back.
Well. Alright. Get in the back of this car.
You get my shoes up the front.
Yeah. Let's see if you'll get in here.
Alright, so let's get you out with that orange shoulder.
If you would, whenever you get cleared, just holler at me. I'll get my coats back.
Okay, they're yours. I was curious whose they were. We're gonna look inside this car real quick.
Right, you got the front of me, I was like, what damn? So, but it worked out. You said that right in front, I was like, hey, this is good.
City, correction, 23 to 29. D23, D29. Nah, it's a blowout. Do y'all have that vehicle?
2923.
Do y'all have that vehicle?
Yes, at the Valero. Do you have your VIN reader?
Yeah, I got 2 of them.
Are y'all specifically on?
Okay, I'm coming to you. Grab one. It's an orange Challenger with black stripes. It's returned to a red Challenger.
I'm like auto death.
Temple. Hey, so did they steal that Challenger today?
They stole this last night from our jurisdiction.
Okay.
Challenger, we weren't able to confirm. Did y'all confirm?
Okay. So they're grabbing or he's gonna come over here. I've got a VIN reader. I'm gonna give it to him. He's gonna go run it.
Dude, you guys are awesome, man.
D23, 4 City. 28 by VIN.
Big fine, sir.
1 Nora, 4 Adam, Adam 6, Edward Victor, X-Ray Paul, Charles 5, 01 775.
Hopefully it's still in one piece.
And if I didn't, if I started channel 11.
I'm about to call him.
It might be up under like grass.
Driver's side right in front of rear wheel.
Yeah, the one spot we can't get to.
What is it, a tracker?
Yeah.
I got you.
Where have you been?
On a huge all the way to here. I think this is our, what, 6th TVI? And
1 City,
I'm doing 135 on the hour. Temple. Well, so it did roll.
It did.
Right.
Oh, it rolled?
Yeah, it rolled.
Oh, we might get on fire. We call for that bitch.
Right? So.
It's in a black box, so it's going to really stick out.
With all the other black stuff.
Yeah. Hey guys, before we roll out of here, can I get, here it is. Oh,
D23.
can I get somebody's contact?
Go ahead.
Just that way we can make this a little
Bring
smoother.
1037 with that vehicle at some point.
10-4 and TVI.
Oh, y'all got anyone outstanding?
10-4, thank you.
Let me.
Unfortunately, you said that there in the mile was wasted. I'm going to be pulling this car back there, ready?